Okay. Hi, guys. Good afternoon. All right. We are on week number 7. Okay. As you can see from the screen on the left side, this is what we have for this week. Okay. Today is Tuesday. All right. Today is Tuesday 2021. It's on the 16th of February. Okay. So as you can see from the screen on the left, yesterday was holiday. And today we don't have much of the item today as well. Okay. Because today is Tuesday. And I think for this week, right, the most important one gonna be coming out on tomorrow and on the early Thursday morning, as far as our Asia session is concerned, right? Because you can see we will have on tomorrow ECB, and another one is on the FOMC on the wee hour in the morning of for Asia is early Thursday, or for US for the Western country it's going to be the afternoon session. So I think for as far as this week is concerned, the Wednesday and Thursday going to be very important one. All right. So please take a look on that. One thing that I want to point it out is that okay, because of the yesterday and today the market move here and there, please don't get carried away totally. All right, because I think for this week the major concern or major movement is going to be triggered by whatever that coming out on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, so please take a look on that. Okay, so on the right side, let's take a look on our analysis, right? So um, okay, we will talk about the British one. Okay, before we do that, we do our weekly stuff first. Okay, sorry, on the left side again. Okay, so as you can see from our weekly so-called evaluation, so you can see from here as well, you can Google it as well. We like to take a look at our weekly data. All right, this total assets held by the all the Federal Bank of the US. All right, you can see here. Okay, the number have been going up steadily. All right. Of course, we have a big ram on the on April, right? And after that, they got a bit of dip, but they going up steadily all the way until recently. All right. Especially you see on the last week, which is February 10th of February, you see it ended at 7.442 trillion dollars. Okay. So you think about 7.442 trillion, it's an all-time high. I would say this is kind of the major reason why, so that you will see on the right side the chart, come from the left lower level, go all the way to the so-called all the to like going all the way to the top. All right, so that's a one major factor that contributing all the market to go up a lot higher. Okay, so it is good to pay attention, because if the data start to go another way wrong, I would say, let's say in the coming week, for example, all right, coming week, if the numbers start to drop, I think it will have a sooner or later the direct reflection on the chart on the right side as well. So it is good to know as well, right? So far, it is still going up. Okay, so we can kind of conclude in the weekly term that we are stay pretty much on the risk on environment. So risk on mean, for example, like the stock market shall go up higher, risk on assets such as like for example, like anything against US dollar shall go up higher. So this is something that we have to look out to, right? So as far as we are concerned, we are stay pretty much on the risk on environment. Of course, if there's any changes in the next week, of course I will say so differently. Okay. Apart from that, I also look at another data that I would like to compare between the our equity market and of course US 30 years bond, right? So you can see here they tend to be on the sort of like opposite on the they move opposite direction. Okay. So one thing, this on the weekly chart. So on the left, stay on the left side, yeah. This on the weekly chart. So you can see on the last year, the early part of the last year, you see the market start to flip on the different direction. You see the red color coming down and the blue color going up. You see what happened now, right? The time the stock market was really selling down, at the same time, the bond price are rallying up. Okay, so now you can see they are on the opposite direction right now already, all right, or stay ongoing, right? So it's also pointing in the way that, to conclude, it also pointing in the way that we are still pretty much on the risk on period at the moment. Okay, so the trend is up, risk on is stay ongoing. So it is we got to be careful if we are shorting against anything against those anything against risk on period. So being a risk on, stock market can go up higher. You just choose, you just close the eye and throw the dart. Most likely it will go up higher. All right, stock market will go up higher, and of course all the Forex pair against US dollar will go up higher, and especially, of course, crypto market can go up higher, and it has been going up higher. All right, so that's a reason that I think that's a major reason that is causing the market to go up higher. These two major reason. One of them is of course the federal asset purchase program. Another one is of course this data that we are looking at. Okay, so now we are concentrating on the right side now. So as you can see on the chart on the right, okay, British pound I think is one of the best performing instrument for the past few months, right? I think it will continue to do so. All right. And of course, there will be some pullback along the way. Okay, so if you feel that okay, currently it's too high, fine. You can wait until the market pull back to the strong swing level. You can see from here. Let's say I can take out the drawing. You can see here we have a nice swing and we have a nice small swing here. So you got to make sure that if you want to wait for a sort of like a pullback, I think this level will be a right place for you to enter in, which is around 1.378. This kind of reason. Okay, you do not have to choose. You do not have to chase the market, but this is a level that you can take a look into going long if you want to, or if you want to go for a short-term swing down. Okay, this will be the level that you may want to take your profit from your short as well. So this is how you play the game by knowing the proper direction, proper sort of like a level. You can play both sides per se. But I think in the foreseeable future, we are stay pretty much on the uptrend. This is what I want to say. Okay. So now let's move on to the gold price. Okay. Okay, gold price is a little bit more tricky in a way because I would say that gold price we have a very high resistance that we have here. All right, which is around 1850 to 1870. Okay, so gold price may swing around a little bit, or even they may even retest above this region because you remember I mentioned that we are on the risk on period, right? I think the likelihood of going up is also there. So the market can go up here. But if the market ever go up here, maybe you may want to take some profit. Or worst case, when the market go there, then don't decide to go and get in because the likelihood that you might get trapped is pretty high. All right. So if you want to buy in, I mean, by all means. But when the market come to here, this level, please be careful because I think this level will not give away easily. All right. So that means this level shall not break it out this easily. Okay. I repeat again. You want to buy, but you wait for certain more confirmation, go up higher. Let me try out. One day you wait up, go up higher, and eventually you cannot stand already. You have to give in to the temptation of buying. Then you buy in the market may come back down. So this is what I'm trying to warn you guys. This level, please be very careful. Okay, I repeat, around like 1850 to 1870. Not the exact number, but this is a region that the market has to break out first and strongly before we can say that we are back to the uptrend. Okay, until then, please be aware of this level. All right, so this is on the second pair that I want to mention. All right, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, today I don't want to go through so much just yet. Okay, okay, Bitcoin. Okay, previously when the market was somewhere around here, if you follow our Telegram channel and our analysis, we were kind of like talking about potentially going down, and it really go down. And right, I think we predicted the two round of going down. I mean, 2 times, right? So and eventually market is once they were bottoming around here, I kind of say now, okay, stop, take all your profit from your short. All right, so it turned out to be quite okay, right? Market break up back all the way up, and we are now back to near to 50,000 level. All right, so now we are near to 50,000 level. So in my opinion, if you want to buy in right now, okay, you have no position. Okay, personally, I have position. All right, but if you want to buy in Bitcoin by now, then I would say please be careful. All right, don't buy in with I want to go in, or I have not. Please don't do that. Okay, if you want to buy certain amount, for example, you want to buy $100,000, for example. All right, 100,000 worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. My suggestion is that please do so only with the half, because I'm seeing that the potential pullback is in the making. Okay, go all the way back down or not? I don't think so. But I think you can buy in later at the price that a lot cheaper than where we are right now. Okay, market can go back to, for example, 44K or even $40,000 level. This is what I'm trying to say. So we are still in the uptrend. I'm not denying that. I personally have my position on Bitcoin, but I am sort of like hedging my position, or rather taking some profit right now already, because $50,000 level, I think is going to be quite an important resistance. I do not think they will be breaking up easily for now. Okay, but of course, 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road, maybe they break up. Of course, they can break up, but for now, just refrain from buying in quite a lot of position at this price level. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I will try my best to do my video weekly. All right. I think one of the things that I can learn from the trading is, unless you have a very good data feed, or you have a very low spread and stuff like that, I think a good trading should come in by doing weekly or daily chart, in my opinion. All right. So I would like to summarize. Overall, we are stay pretty much on the risk on environment. So the trend is stay on the uptrend. Anything to do with the equity, anything to do with the SSS US dollar pair. But I also want to warn you that there's a potential signs of sort of like a pullback in the making as well, especially on some crypto space. Okay. So please subscribe my video, and of course subscribe my channel and like my video. You can share by all means. And also, last but not least, you can follow our Telegram, which is free, and we will post our idea and data trade analysis every day. All right. So thank you very much, and have a great week ahead. All right. Thank you.